Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the silicates. It is an important topic related to solid state. Then why it is very important? Because oftenly in IIT JEE mains and medical exams oftenly questions are asked about the silicates. Then what is silicate? Silicates are the mineral rock forming minerals made up of silicate group. Silicate group, that means anions present are either discrete SiO4 tetrahedra. A large number of silicate mineral exist in earth crust. It observed in earth crust. The basic tetrahedra unit in silicate is SiO4 2 minus ion. Types of silicate. The question asked is types of silicate. Types of silicates. Then there are different type of silicate: orthosilicate, 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 pyrosilicate, cyclic silicate, or cyclic, it is also called ring silicate, ring silicates, chain silicate, and fifth is the sheet silicate, and sixth is the three-dimensional silicates. Basic unit is SiO4 tetrahedra. Then see the orthosilicate one by one. Orthosilicate, orthosilicate, here silicon and 3 oxygen atoms are in the plane and one is at the back of the plane. This is called basic structure SiO4 minus SiO4 4 minus ion, SiO4 4 minus ion, not 2 minus ion, SiO4 4 minus ions. 3 oxygen atoms are in one plane and 1 oxygen atom at the back. So in 2-dimensional we will write like this: oxygen, 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 silicon, and back to the silicon is the oxygen atom. So this is the 2-dimensional view of silicate. Number of sharing of oxygen atom, no sharing of oxygen atom. Here no sharing of oxygen atom. If question is asked कि in orthosilicate shared oxygen atom, no sharing of oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms are not shared here. Number of oxygen atom shared in the case of orthosilicate, no, 0. Second is the pyrosilicate. Second is the pyrosilicates. Pyrosilicates, the basic tetrahedra is when 2 SiO4, you will write when 2 SiO4 4 minus ion tetrahedra get associated. Then in this case the basic unit will be Si2O7 6 minus ion. Suppose this is the silicate, O minus ion, O minus ion, O minus ion. One oxygen atom is shared. See here, one oxygen atom is shared in this case. One oxygen atom is shared. So oxygen atom shared will be 1. Sharing of oxygen atom will be 1. And this view will be like this: oxygen, oxygen, here is the oxygen, silicon also. This structure indicate about the SiO4 6 minus ion. Here see here SiO4 Si2O7 6 minus ion. The basic structural unit is Si2O7 6 minus ion. Cyclic or ring structure, cyclic or ring silicate, when 2 or more than 2 silicate atoms combine together, 2 or more than 2 atoms, 2 silicate units combined together, it form a ring silicate or cyclic silicate. It is called as cyclic silicate. It is called as cyclic silicate. This will called as a cyclic silicate. Here in this case, two oxygen atoms are shared. The basic structure unit will be SiO3 N2N. In case of chain silicate, the basic structure will be Si3O9 6 minus ion. SiO3 9 6 minus ion. Now again is the, in this case it will be the SiO4 6 minus, Si3O9 6 minus ion. Next will be chain silicate. Chain silicates. In case of chain silicate, suppose that two oxygen, in this case also two oxygen atom is shared. These all are asked. How many oxygen atom are shared? Two oxygen atom. This will form a chain like structure. Then it is called as which type of silicate? Chain silicate. It will constitute the chain silicate. It will constitute the chain silicate. Here see, it will constitute the chain silicate. The ratio of, in case of two, in the ratio of Si to oxygen, it is asked in IIT JEE examination, 4:11. So it is Si 4O11 whole N minus ion. Double chain silicate, when this form a double chain, it is called as a double chain silicate. Suppose this is a one silicate unit. This is the double chain silicate. Suppose that in other case, if another silicate units combine together here, then it will constitute a double chain silicate. It will constitute a double chain silicate. It will constitute a double chain silicate. One chain and double chain. Sheet silicate, three-dimensional when four atoms are linked together. When four oxygen atoms, in case of four atoms of oxygen, if constituted, then it form three-dimensional silicate. Now going to the another trick about the type of silicate. Then silicon and oxygen. In case of silicon and oxygen, how many ratio of silicon and oxygen in case of different type of silicates? Different type of silicate, then it is type of silicate you will learn, and question asked tectosilicate, chain silicate, ring silicate, orthosilicate, sheet silicate. These all are type of silicate. Pyrosilicates. Then you will remember, oftenly ask the question about the ratio of silicon to oxygen. Silicon, you will write silicon one side, other oxygen atom. In case of tectosilicate, it will be 1:1. Tectosilicate I am writing T, 1:2. सिलिकॉन ऑक्सीजन का रेशियो कितना होता है? 1:2. इन चेन सिलिकेट इट विल बी 1:3. इन केस ऑफ रिंग सिलिकेट 1:3. इन केस ऑफ ऑर्थोसिलिकेट it will be 1:4. In case of sheet silicate it will be 2:5, and in pyrosilicate it will be 2:7. In case of three-dimensional silicate it will be 4:11. Then you will remember like this different type of silicate by a single formula. You will write tiger came to solve a problem. You will write tiger came to solve a problem. Tiger came to solve a problem between cats and rats. Tiger came to solve a problem between cats and rats. And from the cats and rats, for an orange snake and a parrot offered domino pizza, double chain silicate, domino pizza, double chain silicate. I think you have learnt this very nicely, and if you have any question you can ask me. Thank you.